All right, well, welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. We are on day 3 of learning how to run a 5K, and we're going to get right to it. All right, so once again, my wife is the coach. Today is actually a rest day, but if you don't want to rest and you want to do something, I really do encourage working the upper body on the rest days, and that way you have an overall workout during the week. So we're going to show you what we do right now. We're in quarantine, so it's a little different. Normally we would go to the gym, but we're going to show you what we do right now because we're staying home because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So without any further ado, here's my wife.
Hey guys, so here we are, day 3. Hopefully you did day 1 and 2. This is our 5K beginning training program that we started Monday. If you didn't start with us, you can catch up any other time. Just go to the YouTube channel that I'll have listed in the link below, and you could start whenever you can. But we're on day 3, and we ran Monday and Tuesday. We did a run-walk interval, and today's a rest day. So you could rest, that's perfectly fine. I am going to do some kind of workout. So if you don't want to rest and you want to do something, you could do, I would suggest maybe some kind of upper body workout. Let's give our legs a rest. Or you could do a stretch routine, or maybe stretching for runners, or yoga for runners. You know, one of those would be a good suggestion. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, and then I'll show you some other options. So I go to YouTube, and Chris, you want to show them what's on the screen here? I'm going to do one of these 20-minute upper body resistant band workouts because I have resistant bands. So if you have those, you could do that too. Otherwise, let's see what's out there for 20-minute stretch programs for runners. Let's just see what I get. This is on YouTube. 20-minute stretch for runners on YouTube. So let's see. This would be great. This 20-minute cool down for yoga by Sarah Beth. I've done lots of yoga by Sarah Beth, and she's really, really good. So that's a good option. Here's one, yoga for runners, 20 minutes with Adrian, and Adrian's excellent also. So there's lots of options there for yoga. I said stretch, so let's see what else comes out here. Here's another yoga for runners, 25 minutes. That might be good. And another one, post-run stretch, yoga with Tim. So there are no shortage of options out there. These are all on YouTube. They're all free. So I would pick one of these and do it if you want to, or take the day off. That's fine too. So today is Wednesday, and I will see you tomorrow for our walk run workout again. And remember, tomorrow is the same thing that we've been doing. We're going to walk for 3 minutes, run for 1, and do it 4 times, but we're going to warm up and cool down afterwards. Warm up before, do our run walk, and then cool down afterwards. And then so that's Thursday. Friday's another rest day, and then Saturday is when we actually bump it up. We bump our workout to the same interval of walk 3, run 1, but we're going to do it 5 times. But that's Saturday, so we'll talk about that more Saturday. Again, if you're just catching us, you can get caught up with all our workouts on the YouTube channel that will be listed below. So have a great day have a great day today, guys, whether you're taking the day off or you're stretching. And I'll see you tomorrow. So this is what I'm doing, my upper body workout today, 20 minutes. It's by Achieve Peak, and I've done a lot by them, and they're really, really good. So give it a whirl if you want.
All right, that wasn't so bad. I hope you all got through that. You got a good workout in, you're pumped up, and you're ready to go tomorrow for another run. And I will see you, well, we'll both see you tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. And also, please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.